So hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm very excited to start the new series of the Python. And in this series we will create the different type of projects and different type of learn the modules and how to learn the NumPy, how to learn the pandas and different types. And also we will discuss about the how to use the Python in the data science, and how to use because the very famous module CV2 also as also cover in this series. And so don't worry. And this series is very beginner friendly and intermediate and advanced level. It increases day by day. And if you join with my series, and then it is very helpful to everyone. Okay. And so without any delay, so let's get started. And so now guys, today I will discuss about the what is the Python, and why learn the Python, and where is Python used, because it is a very famous question. So that's why today we will discuss in this lecture. And so my first question is, what is the Python? Python is a general purpose. Now you can see over here, Python is a general purpose and dynamically store the values at high level and interpreted programming language. Okay, and it is an interpreted, not a compiled based, because all the traditional language based on the compiler based, and such as the C and C++ and many of the language. And now it supports the object oriented programming, as well as it also supports the procedural object oriented programming. It is a POPs and OPS supporting language, and it is a simple and easy to learn, because its syntax is very clean and neat. So that's why no don't complexity for the beginner, and provide the high level data structure, because lots of the high level data structure are available here now, such as the list, tuple, and the set and dictionary, and so on. So it is enough for the what is the Python. And why learn the Python? Why learn? Because what is the profit of the Python? And so when we talk about, it is use and learn, easy to use and learn, and expressive language, interpreted language, and object oriented language, open source language, extensible, and learn standard library, and GUI, programming support, integrated, embeddable, dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation, that means you can suppose store the value in any suppose a variable, and you store the file, and again you want to store the any string in this variable, then directly it changes and with the and as well as as well as your data type are also changed of the variable a. And now you can see the next point, wide range of the library and the framework. Okay. And when we talk about the next heading, and where is Python used, it is a very famous question. Where, suppose first you learn the Python, and where you use the Python. So it is various type of fields, and everywhere you can use the Python. Suppose in the data science field, in the data mining field, desktop application, console based application, mobile application, you can also write make in the Python, and software development, and artificial intelligence, web applications, enterprises applications, 3D CAD applications, machine learning, and computer vision, and image processing application, and speech recognition. I think this is enough for the day, and I think all questions clear for everyone, and we will meet in the next video. So thank you so much. And